Income from other source. Income from other source means incomes which are not taxable in the four heads like salary, house property, business or profession, capital gain. The remaining all incomes are taxable under the head income from other source. Now coming to the what are the basic chargeability of income from other source. The first one is any fees, commission and remuneration received by the employee other than the employer. You do work other apart from the employer. That one is, and second one is any salary or pension of MLA, MP or MLC, income from guest lecture, examination remuneration received from university, director fees, interest from foreign securities, income from undisclosed sources, composite rent, rent from subletting of vacant plat, any dividend from mutual funds or companies other than Indian companies, interest on securities, interest on bank deposits, gifts received, insurance commission received, casual incomes. Like casual incomes includes winning from lottery, horse race, card games, family pension received, agriculture income from land situated outside India, royalty received from the owner of an asset, rent of subletting, withdrawal of amount from NSS, NSC and NSS including interest, interest on income tax refund, director commission for underwriting if any shares. Now some of the important deductions under income from other source. The first one is in case of the family pension. In case of the family pension, the maximum rupees 15,000 or one third of the amount received by the assessee, whichever is less, is allowed as a deduction. And second one is any collection charges paid on collecting dividend and interest is deducted provided such income is chargeable. Like while at the time of the receiving the dividends or checks or interest from the bank or company, a collection charges paid by the assessor, that collection charges are deducted from that, and any other expense incurred to earn income will be allowed as a deduction. So expense which are incurred by the assessee for earning the incomes, like in case of the royalty, so a book, an author will write a book, he has to spend an amount for payment of salary to the assistants or workers. Those are all the allowable expense, those expenses are deducted. So these are the three important deductions available under income from other source.